Today I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to use Metashape for photogrammetry. So first I'm going to import the images I've taken of my chosen item that I want to load in. So here I'm just starting to mask off the background to get a clearer model. I prefer to use the intelligent scissors command, and essentially I just start placing points around the image that I want to keep. Once I've selected the area I want, I'm just subtracting it from the selection. Now, if you accidentally mask an area you don't want to, you can go back in, select the area, and add it back to the area that's being selected. So you can select preferences to change the color of your mask. I'm just changing mine to white and increasing the opacity so it's easy to see. You can also choose to generate masks with the automatic AI setting. This is me just generating a mask for this individual picture. Then I proceed to select the rest of the pictures that I'd uploaded to generate a mask for all of them to kind of save time. Just double checking that I'm happy with all the masks it generated before I was ready to move on to the next step. Then I go to workflow and select align photos. Here I'm just naming my file so I can save it. When your project first loads, it will kind of appear like this. It's kind of got dots or points everywhere. Here I'm resizing the region I want my model to kind of sit in, and this will crop out any points outside that region. Here I'm just rotating the region to kind of square up so it's more aligned with the model that I'm looking to include. Then I'm just scaling it down to be more precise once again. Then I'm selecting build model once I'm happy with my region. Now, because the model did cut off the top of the head on the statue, I did adjust it a little more and then reprocess the build model. Here I'm just double checking that I'm happy with my model. Then I'm building the texture of the model. And now I'm just exporting my model. I'm just saving it under dog statue as that's kind of what it is, a dog statue. In this case, I'm exporting it with vertex normals. And now my 3D model of the dog statue is finished.